This is Nassim Miller reporting from the American Society of Clinical Oncology in Chicago. Oncologists across the nation are grappling with shortage of cancer drugs. Dr. Richard Shilsky offers tips on finding emergency supplies.
For oncologists facing a shortage, it's a very difficult problem. Sometimes what we found, I'm here in Chicago, what we found is that sometimes different hospitals and different physicians use different suppliers, and so one physician may have a shortage and another hospital or physician may not, and sometimes just by calling around and finding out, do you have ASCO and we have a shortage, and it may be possible to to find a source of drug in your community that's available. It then becomes more problematic. Sometimes you have to really think about prioritizing which patients are going to get treated the most immediately, who has the greatest need for their therapy, who could tolerate an interruption in treatment for a week while you're trying to find another source of the drug, and that sort of thing. But none of the solutions are very satisfying because all of them put patients at risk, create a lot of anxiety, really impact on the efficiency of physician practice when they have to be continuously searching for drugs. So the best solution will be to try to resolve the drug shortage altogether. I think I'm pretty optimistic that within the next 2 to 3 years that we really will be able to resolve this issue in a much more substantial way. The new drug user fee authorization bill in the Congress is going to provide an influx of resources to the FDA through generic drug user fees to enable them to put more resources toward the review and approval of applications to market generic drugs, and their estimate is that they should be able to get their review time down from the current average of about 30 months down to 10 months and hopefully 6 months. So if we can get to that point over the next few years, that way a company can enter the marketplace much more quickly and be providing these generic drugs in a much more timely fashion.